so you'll see a break in the clouds again. Time-lapse video, of course, is not taking place in real time right now. So thank you for that. Appreciate it. Sharon, the winds are going and the red flag warning is going as well. But first, we're actually taking you to the coast, to the Santa Monica Pier, where we're looking at an exact opposite forecast. What do we mean by that? Well, it's cooler out there, and we're also looking at cloudy conditions. So certainly not looking at the fire weather at the coast. As we zoom out a little bit, well, you won't be able to tell there, but I will tell you the clouds are making a return to the coastline along the Santa Monica Bay, into the Orange County coastline as well. Long Beach right there, PV. Also looking at cloudier conditions at the moment, but a completely different story as we head inland. Take a look. We've got a red flag warning for the Antelope Valley right there for the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains. Not only are we under a red flag warning, but we're also looking at wind advisory. So it's windy. Humidities are low out there as well. And again, we are looking at the breezy and warm conditions. So bad combination when it comes to fire weather. In Palmdale right now, 13-mile-an-hour winds, 7-mile-an-hour winds in Riverside. As we take you to the coast right here, 13-mile-an-hour winds in San Pedro, and moving over to South Laguna, 9-mile-an-hour winds for you there. So it is quite breezy in the higher elevations, a little windier as well. So we're watching the winds. We're also watching temperatures. Of course, warmer into our inland spots. In the high desert, we're still at 80 right now. 76 in Riverside, 64 San Pedro, and 63 in Malibu this evening. And temperatures actually getting a little cooler before they warm back up again. So we're going to have more on those numbers coming up. For now, I just want to point out we got up to 73 in downtown today. Average is 79. We were a few degrees below average, and record numbers 104. So not close to record numbers, and we are expecting to get cooler and then warmer. We're going to have all of those numbers coming up for you in just a little bit. Sharon, back to you. All right, well, let's get to the forecast. How about that? And we're talking about fog in the forecast, which seems kind of funny because at the same time, but once we get to the mountains and the high desert, that's what we're not expecting the fog. That's what we're expecting the warm numbers. And yes, we've got red flag warnings. In fact, take a look right here. Red flag warnings along with wind advisories as well. You're going to see the red on your screen indicating that red flag warning for the Antelope Valley. For the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains, you'll see just a little bit of a different shade of, well, red-orange, just to say we've got red flag warnings and wind advisories, both in effect right on top of each other in the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains. So with that, we are looking at windy conditions, dry conditions, and warm conditions on top of that. Additionally, you're going to see right here, Palmdale, 14-mile-an-hour sustained winds, Gorman at 16, Riverside at 9. So not too windy, but we could expect to see wind gusts maybe upwards of 30 miles an hour over the next 24 hours. So this will stay in effect through tomorrow. Temperature-wise right now, 60s, quite warm spots like the high desert. We're at 79. Lucerne Valley, 73. 75 in Riverside, taking you to the coast. Temperatures in the 60s, 64 in San Pedro, and 63 in Malibu. Earlier today, we made it to 73 degrees, average is 79, so we were a few degrees below average, and well, we're still staying below average in spots like the basin and the coast. We will see warmer temperatures inland, but again, this microclimate really starting to kick in this time of year. 60 degrees, that's for tonight. By the morning hours, we are expecting cloudy conditions out there, and by the afternoon, mostly sunny to partly sunny skies. 73 downtown, flirting with 70 in Santa Monica, Riverside, you're at 84, and Woodland Hills, you're getting up to about 86 degrees as we head into
tomorrow afternoon. Palmdale, 96. Overnight low clouds and fog. That's going to be the case well again until